Hi guys, Dr. Nina here. Today we are going to show how threads are done. So we've got the beautiful Tracy. What we're going to do to her today, we're just going to place some PDO threads in the mid and lower face just to help to lift the initial jowling that she's not really happy with. So PDO threads are a great way, in a very natural way and non-surgical way, to lift the mid face and the lower face, the jowls that obviously over time and aging start to appear. Tracy is not quite ready yet for surgery, so this is a great treatment for whoever doesn't want surgery yet, or they just don't want surgery at all and they want to have a very natural way to just lift the tissues. Perfect. So I'm just going to numb first. So that's the most uncomfortable, just a little bit of a sharp scratch. Okay, just gonna so chin slightly up for me. Thank you. Just a tiny sharp, that's it. Okay, thank you. Okay, so just a tiny sharp scratch. Perfect. So this is Tracy's first time to have PDO threads inserted. We previously have done some work with some neurotoxin just to relax some lines on the upper face. We have lifted the brows with some neurotoxins as well. We have placed previously some fillers on the tear trough, on the cheeks and around the mouth as well. I think what she is still complaining about is just the heaviness which obviously happens with age, the drop of the cheeks, which creates these very unwanted gels. So I suggested to her to try the PDO threads before we continue to inject derma fillers, because that's when she will get the best results. So we're going to lift all the tissues first and then we're going to finish off with some fillers just as a cherry on the cake. So Tracy has been numbed with some topical cream first, and then we have actually injected some lidocaine just to make the injection as less painful as possible. So I'm going to start now to insert the first thread. So you can see she's very comfortable. You okay, Tracy?
Yeah,
good. Perfect. Just a little push. Okay. And just a gentle pressure. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Great. That's great. And the first one is in. Okay, and just a small sharp scratch again. That's it. You still okay? And that is just a gentle pressure. That's it. Okay. You okay? Yeah, doing really well. So I'm going to concentrate on the lower part of her face because that's where the jowls are a little bit heavier. So I'm going to insert more threads in the lower third. How are we doing? Okay, good. Okay. Great. Now the threads have been inserted. I'm gonna go now for the actual pulling of the tissue. So I'm gonna make sure I anchor the threads safely, and then I'm gonna pinch and I'm gonna start to pull. So as you can see, you already can see the amount of pulling that we can achieve with the threads, which is great because obviously, as you can see, it's all non-surgical. It's done quite quickly if you're quite experienced, and you can achieve a great non-surgical lift of the soft tissues. So I'm going to start by lifting the mid-face. You okay, Tracy? Not too painful? Perfect. Great patient.
I'm not going to smile.
Just good. Just bear with me. We just finished to insert the threads on the right side of Tracy's face. So as you can see already, there's a really nice lift that happened in this area here. So the middle lower face will already look lifted. So what you can see straight away is just the actual mechanical lift done by the threads. What is going to happen over the next few weeks and months is just a collagen stimulation. So the result will get even better over time. So we just finished the session of video threads, the very first session with Tracy. So as you can see, very little marks, you can barely tell. So she's gonna have to wear these tiny plasters for about 24 hours and then she's just good to go. What I would say is to have the best result, I would now recommend another session, same again, in about 4 weeks time. And then she's just gonna go on maintenance and have the treatment done just once a year. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe also to my channel. If you have anyone that is interested in having the procedure done, please feel free to be in touch.